So this is a review of the right side air intake hose for the Nissan 370Z or Infiniti G37. So if you own a Nissan 370Z or an Infiniti G37, then this is the replacement set for the right side of the engine air filter. This is also the OEM quality style. So if you're looking for a genuine air intake hose replacement set, then this is probably one of the best ones you could get. I highly recommend this if you own a Nissan 370Z or a Infiniti G37, then this is the direct replacement set, and overall I would highly recommend it. The quality is very nice, it feels very good, just like the OEM appearance, and it has the clamps provided as well too. This is for your hose that connects to the other side of the part. And right here you can see the quality is very nice as well too. Overall, I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a right side replacement set for your Nissan 370Z or Infiniti G37.